What's going on, guys? Skullz here. I got my friends Y Turtles and Legman, aka My Leg, as you've seen in these videos.
Welcome to 95 OZZO.
Oh, this is them.
Sup? Now make sure
I got soap!
Welcome.
Open the door.
Alright guys, so today we are doing a lovely video for you guys. Our first ever cooking video. We're gonna make it right here.
Cooking video, awesome.
We're gonna do it right here in the Skullz residence.
Oh!
My eyes! Now, we're here making pizzas, but we can't just make pizzas looking like this. We gotta get into shape. Whoa!
Birdman! Yes! My name Leggerman Jones.
I am Moonman.
I am Beardman. Step 1 into making the finest of the pizza dough. You must preheat the oven to 450. 450 only, nothing over, nothing under. 450.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Step 1. Press bake. Press up arrow till you get 450. Press start.
Bomb has been planted.
It heat up now.
Step 3. You pour the mix in the bowl. Just like my grandmother's ashes.
Cup number 1.
I'm sorry, Grammy.
You have to work out. Step number 3. Go to your nearest water pumping station, get water, cut 1 cup, pour into bowl. Perfect.
Alright, step 4. You must stir dough and water until blended.
Oh yeah. Nice dough.
You have to add 1 teaspoon of oil into the mixture and form it into a ball.
My balls itch so goddamn much right now.
Two hours later.
Dough flashlight, highly recommend.
Step 7. We take our cooking spray because we have to grease our hands. Now, I would not suggest greasing your hands like this, but this is how I'm going to do it. take our dough. And we gotta press it firmly now. And spread it around the rim. Are done. This is what it shall look like. Poggers.
Step 8. Get your sauce. We choose ragu. Throw on pizza. If you want a lot of sauce, put a lot of sauce. Okay. Get that bitch nice and saucy. Now get your large spoon. Spread that bitch around. You want every bitch colored in red. 10 red is your favorite color. I got the red.
But the Legerman Jones, do not forget to leave some edge room for the crust.
Of course, I'm not fucking retarded. Time to put cheese on pizza. I do it like a fucking pro.
Step number 9. Throw the bitch in the oven.
450, do remember.
You want to do it from 12 to 17 minutes, but for us, we will be doing it at 15, right in the middle.
We want black crust.
And now we wait.
20 minutes later.